Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to our channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to change the default login credentials for the Nagios admin account on Nagios Network Analyzer. If you forgot this password, these will be the steps you need to follow, or if you simply want to make your environment a little bit more secure, you can also follow these steps. Like I said, this will be a quick video, so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have a brand new network analyzer all set up and ready to go, and I've accessed the machine via SSH. We're going to be doing two examples of this password change. One will be for a simple password, no special characters or any spaces like that, and then the second one will involve special characters. So if we're doing a simple password change, say we want it to be new password, like so, we will execute the following command. So we will be entering in the path of the command without actually changing directories. So it's user local Nagios NA scripts, and we will be using the reset Nagios admin password script. We will then add in a -p, and within our string, we will do our new password, like so. And as you can see, the password for Nagios admin has been changed. Now, let's say, for example, we want to do a more complex password with a special character and a space in the middle there. So we're going to want a password that looks something like this. New password with an ending £. To do that, we will need to use a / to escape the character. So for example, we'll be using the exact same command. And then within our string, we will escape our question mark, new, and then we're going to escape the space, password, and then once again, escaping £. This password will look like this, just as a reminder. And once we are satisfied with that, we can hit enter. And again, as you can see, the password has been successfully changed. And that wraps up today's video, folks. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please visit support.nagios.com for some more great documentation. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for some more amazing content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.